Alright, so we're getting everything loaded up. As you can see, got the lure, got the Ascend, lure, Ascend, getting all loaded up. Then we're gonna head to Walmart and pick up Zach. And then from there, we're gonna go out to where we're going fishing at. And then we'll be good. Be on the water soon, hopefully. It's kind of chilly out today. Actually, it's very chilly out today. Hopefully it warms up some. It's supposed to. Let's hope it does. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to loading things up. I just wanted to give a little update of what's happening, what's going on. Zach, what happened in there?
Gosh. I thought I was slow.
No doubt.
Jeez.
That was interesting.
One more wrong pair of glasses today, she said.
It's a good thing she could see. Alright, so we're gonna get everything loaded from his vehicle to my vehicle, and then I think we're gonna be on the water. Alright, well, here we go. I realized I forgot something very important just now. My center console, or my pod, and my fish finder is supposed to go right there. So I'm gonna have a giant hole in my kayak until I can get it. So that should be really interesting. I also have a pole already snagged right there. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be one of those good Austin days. I mean, I guess I got a good place to jig. You can sit right over top of a bed and jig on top of it. This kayak is a Feelfree Lure 11.5. I love it. I love this kayak. I have a rudder system in the back. I'm not sure if you saw that before or not, but I mean, you basically, if you want to have the upper hand in kayaks, this is perfect. My fish finder's on my pod, which, you know, would be helpful today, just for water temperatures and everything, not necessarily to find fish, but I'd like to see how deep this pond is in some places. Zach already learned the first rule of kayak fishing is your poles are behind you and don't catch them whenever you cast. I think it's kind of funny. It's something we all do, just like backlashing, because I mean, I do that a lot. Got one, thank God. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh, that would be something. Hold still, fish. Hey! My goodness, what a mess. Fish. Gee whiz. All right, so told Dad to honk at me when he got here. So Dad's been blowing me up, but he didn't start honking until I caught that fish. So he pulled in literally as I was catching the fish. I hope he didn't leave, because that would have sucked. All right, but first one of the year on the board. Whew. My goodness. We're back in business, folks. I got the old fish finder put on finally. I know your view of everything probably isn't that great. I'm gonna work on that. I have a mount up front on the kayak that I can probably put you on so you can see. I'll probably do that later, just to test the waters and see what it's like. But for right now, I'm gonna leave you on my chest. I do have my PDF on, you can't see it, but it's on. I have to wear them in tournaments, so I just kind of get used to fishing with them on. West Virginia state regulation says that it has to be in your boat, but it does not do you any good if it's just in your boat. So I like to wear it. And I think everybody really should wear their PDFs. And this is what I've got is a auto inflate and a manual inflate. It's an AM model, is what they call that, auto and manual. So if I fall out of my kayak, it'll inflate, or I can manually inflate it and then fall out of my kayak. So. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got it. Perfect, you're doing great. All right, everybody, we're back at a new pond. The last one didn't work out too well. Caught one, but not like we wanted to. It was very dry, so we went and got some lunch. Now we're back at a new pond. Oh, the wind. Oh, there we go. There's one. Hooked up, baby. Booyah. Close your mouth. Thank you. Little guy. All right, all right, all right. How's it going, bros? We're back at another pond. Pond number 3 for today. Alright, so we're wrapping everything up here, getting everything put back in the old truck. Today was a bit of a struggle.
It was a grind.
We rode on the struggle bus today to find the fish and catch the fish.
But at least we are on the board. I caught one 12-incher.
We are on the board. Old Zach caught a 12-incher. I caught a 11-incher and a 12.75. So that put us on the board. So I know it's not enough, but it's something. It's a start. Well, I don't know how to end a video. Have no idea how to end a video yet. So I'm just gonna say so long for now. I'm gonna fist bump the camera and I'm gonna end it here. So long for now.
Just a little water in it.